I have been hyping myself up for this for more than I dare to admit. Yeah, I'm gonna cut my own hair today. Okay, that's fairly even. Thank you to Jeff, who just helped me out a little bit. I think it looks pretty good, you know, for a little DIY haircut, you know? He did like a little mix of the scissors and then went in a little bit with the zzz. What is that called? It's escaping me. Trimmers? Electric trimmers? I don't know, whatever. He did that, and you guys, I love it. I'm really liking it. I really like it like this a lot. I think this, oh, ooh, oh yeah. This was the refresher that I needed. I just kind of felt like getting, like, I was so bored and I was just like, ugh, with my hair. I honestly might be dyeing it some fun colors soon too, but I'm gonna live with this for like a month, I think. I was gonna do my roots soon, but you know what? I think it looks really cool with my roots, so I don't know. I'll keep this for like a week, maybe do my roots, and then maybe next month I'll do some fun colors. Who knows? I like it. Okay, I like it, and I can't wait to curl it. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't been excited for my hair in a while. This is so fun. Oh, and I can't wait to style it and put a bunch of volume in it. Oh, I'm excited, okay? I'm excited. Yay, all right, okay, all right. Thank you for watching me chop off my hair, my haircut. A lot of it is on the ground, but here's some of it. Right here, you can see. So anyways, thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time you've ever stopped by my channel, well, hey, what is up? Welcome. I post beauty related videos and things like this apparently 3 times a week, cruelty free, makeup and skincare, all of that fun stuff. If you want to subscribe, make sure to hit that red button down below. Everybody who's watching that is subscribed, make sure your bell is tapped. That way you actually get notified when I post more videos, which is about 3 times a week. Don't forget to, you know, get social with me over on social media like Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, even Pinterest I'm on. So check it out there. I'm apparently going to be pinning some, you know, hair tutorial. Maybe I'll do some fun hair tutorials over my Instagram. I don't know, my whole world just opened up. I'm excited. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!